How to connect your Google Drive to Claude. AI Tutorial 2026. Are you tired of manually copying and pasting your documents into Claude just to get help analyzing or working with them? What if you could connect your entire Google Drive directly to Claude.ai and let it read your files instantly? In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to do that step by step. Claude.ai now supports Google Drive integration through its Projects feature, which means you can give Claude direct access to your documents, spreadsheets, and files without any extra tools or third-party apps. Let me walk you through the whole process right now. Step 1. Go to Claude.ai and make sure you are logged into your account. This feature requires a Claude Pro or a Team subscription, so if you are on the free plan, you will need to upgrade first. Step 2. Once you are inside Claude, look for the Projects section on the left side panel of your dashboard. Click on it and either create a new project or open an existing one that you want to connect to your drive. Step 3. Inside your project, look for the Add Content button or the Knowledge section. You will see an option that says Connect Google Drive. Click on that button. Step 4. Claude will prompt you to sign in with your Google account. Click Allow when asked for permissions. This grants Claude Red access to your Drive files so it can pull in the content you need. Step 5. Once connected, you can select specific files or folders from your Google Drive that you want Claude to reference. Browse through your Drive, select the documents you need, and confirm your selection. Step 6. Your selected files will now appear as knowledge sources inside your project. From this point, every conversation you have inside that project will have access to the content from those files automatically. Pro tip: be selective about which files you connect. Instead of linking your entire drive, choose only the specific documents relevant to your project. This keeps Claude focused and gives you much more accurate and relevant responses. And that is it. You now know exactly how to connect Google Drive to Claude.ai, giving you a smarter and faster workflow without all the copy and paste frustration. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial like this one. Drop a comment below and let me know, what is the first file you are going to connect to Claude?